Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the latest BLUM update. So recently BLUM made an announcement that- BLUM made an important announcement that I want to show you guys today, right? Let's go right to BLUM's announcement page. Alright guys, so if we go to BLUM's official channel, not on Telegram now but on their Discord channel, here is a screenshot of the announcement page, and it says manual check-ins is now live. Check-ins are no longer automatic. Here is everything you need to know. So click or tap claim below your avatar on the home page every 24 hours to check in. So what they are basically saying here is that automatic check-in, whereby you just open the BLUM app and then it just automatically loads 100 days check-in stuff and gives you reward. It is no more like that. Now you have to manually go and click a button every day to check in for that day, right? So it says if you don't tap claim, if you don't claim, your check-in won't count. How I say it here. If you don't tap claim, your check-in won't count. Miss the check-in, don't worry, you can now have one time only restoration option to cover your streak. Use it wisely. So if you have missed a check-in for like 1 day or 2 days or 3 days, don't worry, you have one time opportunity to restore that check-in. So if you are doing it for 7, you can restore it once. But after that, no more opportunity to restore it anymore. Then it says this change is designed to improve your experience by reducing the fail rate and keeping things more user focused. Now, that reducing the fail rate, I don't even understand what it means, but it's basically saying it's designed to keep the users more focused, I guess. And finally, it says forget to tap and make the most of the exciting date. So basically saying every day, don't forget to tap on that claim button to claim check-in for that day. Alright guys, so we are in our BLUM app now, and the first thing we are seeing is this meme pad stuff, and it's really blowing up and taking over BLUM. Another video I'll tell you guys more about this meme pad and what it's all about. But right now we are going to this home page. When you click on this home page, you can see my profile, my amount, and it's going to load where I'll claim. So as you can see guys, it has already loaded where I will claim. It's showing 156 days check-in. Next claim is 7 hours. So I have to click on this claim button to check in, right? If I don't click on this claim button, I will not be able to check in for today, and this my streak, my 156 day streak, will be cancelled to go back to 0. Start from day 1. So make sure you are coming into this place guys and claiming every single day. So I'm going to click on claim now, and so as you can see guys, I have claimed, I've gotten my point, and I've gotten my ticket for today, and it has shown the yellow tick. So that is for this guys.